welcome to Spokane BBQ. My name is Randy Howell. Today we're going to be making a stir fry. Very simple. Stir fries are awesome. Great way to get rid of leftover food. Something to use up, get it done and eaten, and it's great. It's awesome. So we're going to just jump right into it. Grill's heated up. And of course we're doing this on the Blackstone. We love our Blackstone. So we'll get some oil on there. And we're going to smear that oil in. Let's get it heated up. Oh, this is going to be good. I can taste it already. There you go. Alright, now we're all nice and slathered up. I'm going to start with my thicker veggies. These take a little longer to cook. So we're going to put these puppies on. And I'm going to do my mushrooms as well. Looks like we had an escapee. We're going to get these bad boys on here and get them cooking. I'm going to take a little bit of this garlic butter that I made and put it on there and just let that kind of melt down and slather into the veggies. Now I've got my standby, I've got my salt, pepper. You always want to put a little of that on there just for some extra flavor. That salt enhances the flavor. It's really nice. A little bit of pepper. Oh. Let's get these all mixed in there with that butter. And then we're going to kick this down to low and just let them set while we cook the rest of our stuff. Get all that pushed off to the side. And next we're going to start with our veggies. I just went and got a simple corn, bean, pea, carrot kind of thing. Really easy, good to use. And again, we're going to put a little salt, a little pepper on that. These ones aren't going to take too long to cook either. They're pretty quick. We'll slide them over to these guys here. And let those go. Next I'm going to add a little green onion. I'm just going to kind of throw it in between these guys here. I'm going to toss in a little water, kind of get that steam effect going. Alright, so I got these all nice and mixed up. Again, I'm going to scoot it all off to the side and just let it kind of marinate. Slow cook on the low temp. Alright, I'm going to get my rice on here. Now that rice I cooked the night before, and I chilled it. This works really well when you chill the rice. You're going to get that great flavor from the when you steam it, you add a little moisture to this. It's going to have great texture. I'm going to add a little bit of this now melting butter. Maybe 2 of them. What do you say? I always like to season my rice too. A little salt, a little pepper, a little bit more pepper. And I'm just going to put a handful of this garlic in here and let that go. I'm going to hit it with some water. There's my steam. That's what I'm looking for. Alright, so we're just going to let that sit there and go. When we come back, this is going to be ready to go. We're going to throw some shrimp in there, get everything mixed together, and it's going to be oh so good. Let's add a little soy to this just to color and love. There we go. Awesome. We're going to let this cook down. We'll be right back. Alright, we are back. So we're getting our rice nice and steamed up. Oh, look at that. That is fantastic. We're going to add a little bit more soy to this bad boy. Let's get it all tossed in there. Now I know you're probably thinking, hey, dude, you need to add some sesame seed oil. Well, I am one step ahead of you, my friend. This stuff's pretty potent. You don't need too much. But, oh, it's flavorful. Let's get that all mixed in there. Oh, you can smell that sesame seed oil. That's good. Good sniffins. Beautiful. I'm going to pull this back over to the side. Now I'm going to do my egg. There we go. Smooth that out. This cooks pretty fast, so we don't have to worry too much about this. There we go. So we're going to simply just take this, start rolling it up. Turn it. Beautiful. Let's get that into our rice. Start incorporating that. I'm actually going to use my scraper with this. Alright, these are going to cook together for a minute. And last but not least, I'm going to throw a little bit more of this garlic butter in here. Yep, it's shrimp time. I have minced garlic, a little salt on that. There we go. And to kind of help steam those up a little bit, add just a little bit of water to them. There we go. Let those set. And then we're about to bring this whole thing together. Just about there on the shrimp. Beautiful. Veggies are looking good. They're browning up nice. That's beautiful. You know, I really recommend this spatula. This is a great spatula. I've had it since 95, 2020. This thing has lasted me forever in some of the busiest kitchens I've worked in to some of the slowest. It's a wonderful spatula, nice rosewood handle on it. I'll put a description in the link below. You guys can check this out. It's a great spatula. So if you are looking for one, I highly recommend it. It's made by Kosher, which has a different name to it now, but I'll put that in the description too. Anyway, great spatula if you guys are in the market for one. Highly recommend it. It's sturdy, yet still flexible. It's cool. Alright, I think we're at that point, kids. I'm going to bring all this together. Now I know, like in my family, not everybody likes shrimp, so you can use a chicken if you want to. You want to use leftover steak, just some sort of beef or whatever you got. Pulled pork would be good. This would be awesome for that. So you can pretty much use whatever meat you want to use, but just get it all tossed in there. Follow the recipe that I showed you today. I know it wasn't very exact, but with my measurements and stuff, but it's stir fry. And you just kind of go by how you feel. I'm going to throw a last minute, a little bit of fresh garlic into there. Toss that in some more. Then I am going to hit it. A little bit of salt at the end. You want to be careful. I know soy sauce is salty. And we're just going to put a little bit of fresh pepper in that. Well, fresh from the bottle. There we go. Give it one more last toss. Alright, I'm going to start plating this up. Woo, it makes a bunch. We'll be feasting on this for a while. Now the rice that I made, I did 2 cups of dry. Apparently we're doing military exercises today, so Bear with me. Sorry about that. There we go. But I did 2 cups of dry rice, which makes 4 cups cooked. I did 2 zucchinis cut up, 3 zucchinis, and then random mushrooms. I did probably about 1.5 cups of those vegetables, and you saw how we did it. We just put it all together on the Blackstone, got everything going, used the soy sauce, the sesame seed oil, some oil, water to steam it, and some garlic butter that I had made ahead of time, so it was really cool. To top everything off, I am going to add some sesame seeds. And this is just a nice touch. I probably should have opened this beforehand, but hey. There you go. Now it's authentic. Beautiful. Shrimp fried rice. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun making it. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below or send me an email. Spokane BBQ Company online. I don't know. It's in the description. I can't remember it. Anyway, cool. Thanks for joining us. I hope you enjoyed the video. Talk to you later.